So, hi everyone, I am Generous Jane Rale from BITCT 2-2, and today I'm talking about the important topic, which is ethics in the use of science and technology. So, technology is already part of our daily lives, from using smartphones, social media, and online platforms, and especially in communicating other people and learning every day. But together with this advantage, there are also responsibility we need to take. So in this video, I shared 3 ethical practices should follow when using technology. So the number 1 is data privacy. So what is data privacy? Data privacy, we share information online, our names, picture, addresses, school, and every location. So we need to be careful with what we post and what we see. So I have three ethical things to avoid over sharing. So ethical technology use means protecting personal information, avoiding sharing, only giving information to trusted platforms. So when we protect our privacy, we protect ourselves also from risks like identity theft and online scam, and also phishing in our identification. So the number 2 is responsible use of social media. So we all know social media is powerful tool. It can be dangerous if we use it or over we use it. So I have 3 things we should do this one. We should not do this one. The number 1 is avoid sharing rumors. The number 2 is check resource before sharing. Nang check the links where you got before sharing or post it in social media platform. The number 3 is be responsible in comments. So always be kind. So responsible digital behavior prevents misinformation, cyberbullying, and online conflicts. So the number 3 is cybersecurity awareness. Anyone can experience hacking, phishing, or online scams, or using your identity in scams. So we must do this one. Number 1 is use strong password. Avoid leaking unknown links. The number 3 is be careful with suspicious message. So being aware of cybersecurity keeps our accounts device safe, and our identity also is safe. So the conclusion is this: technology makes our lives easier. That's true, but only if we must use it properly. So ethics help us stay safe, respectful, responsible users of science and technology. So it's a reminder that protect your data, be responsible online, and always stay cyber safe. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. That's all. Thank you.